say about the art of about the source of art resource about the art resources by its people. Mahatma Gandhi says about the use of sources that art provides enough to satisfy every seasons need, but for every person great. The art provides enough to satisfy. The art provides enough to satisfy. Và mất lỡ mang lấy nở min pe kavaro puye mi sinh trong te hello oh yeah你好子打咯The Mahatma Gandhi say about the art